Hello, welcome friends. Hope you are all well and okay. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these little flowers with a grassy background. First, I'm going to tell you my brush configuration. I took Photoshop default opacity pressure brush, which you will get in brush palette, and with it I added a texture. That too we will get in brush palette, and the texture is with Photoshop. It comes with Photoshop. You need not to copy or import from elsewhere. The white lines which are showing here, it is for the texture. The texture is created, the lines and the brush strokes applying the color. The combination of the two, it looks like a grassy field. Choose colors lighter and deeper for a variation. From the near end, it will be a bit deeper, and the far end, it will be a bit lighter. By the way, I have created a folder in my playlist. The folder is Secret of Painting in Photoshop. There are many other videos too. I request you to watch them. Hope you will enjoy them. And kindly write your remarks in the comment. There is a link in the description below for watching the videos, The Secret of Painting in Photoshop, in my playlist. Select on the layer 1, that is the grassy layer. I press Q to go to quick mask mode. You will see in the difference, the layer is now red, and apply the gradient black and white from bottom to top for the selection, and then apply Gaussian blur. Here is my reference image for the little flowers. I selected a portion of it, only the flower part, and then took a new layer and fill the selection with the midtones. Keep the selection while painting, don't remove it, don't leave transparent area. Fill all the area with the midtone color, then apply highlights and shadows just randomly. First place the stroke with highlights some area where it should be, and then the shadow area just randomly. After that, copy color from your painting by pressing Alt, then minimize the edge of the highlighted or shadow area to blur. In the dual brush menu, resize the brush size, increase or decrease as and when needed. If the selection disturbs you, then you can press H, Control H to hide it, but it will be still there in visible mode, and again it is a toggle key, it will be visible. The technique is very simple. First, fill the selection with midtone, and then select color lighter than the midtone and apply it on the highlight area. Similarly, select color darker than the midtone and apply it on the shaded area. And the edge between the highlight area or midtone or shade area and the midtone, copy some color from your image in between the highlighted area and mid-tone area, and brush it, apply some lighter strokes to decrease the sharpness of the edges. Similarly, in between the shadow area and the mid-tone, pick some color, copy some color, pressing Alt, and apply some lighter strokes on the edges of the shadow and mid-tone area to decrease the sharpness. Use size in the dual brush to decrease or increase the brush size, not from the brush tip menu. It is preferable when you are using dual brush, it is preferable to increase or decrease the brush size from dual brush settings, from the size in the dual brush. You can apply label or curves to dodge and burn the image for separation, for more separation between highlights and shadows from image menu or from layer menu. Level or curve, you can use level or curve. I am copying another portion of it, of the one other flower, and took a new layer and fill it with the mid-tone. Then copy some color from the reference image and apply it. Just with some random strokes. After that, I will blur the edges. Copy them, resize them, rotate it or flip it so that they do not look in the same way. The nearer ones are a bit bigger and the what they are in the far end a bit smaller. The hardest part is done. There is nothing, just to arrange them. What you think would be the best. I group some of the flowers at the top, group them and blur them. I drew some grasses, creating a layer on the top. The brush size is much thinner with the same brush. I used camera raw filter for sharpening some portion of the image, and I add some vibrancy with the camera raw filter. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.